What's up guys, welcome back to another build series. Behind me is a car that you've seen a bajillion times, but I'm not gonna talk too much today. Justin's here with us right now. We're gonna go over his build right now. Enjoy these sick ass B-rolls and cinematics. So see you guys in a bit. All right guys, on Justin's build, it is obviously a ceramic white. It is a limited model, 6-speed manual, looks gorgeous. He has everything from the front to the back, full AFD kit. He has a lot of parts coming in still, but let's just start right in the front. So in the front, we have the sports grille paired with the front white brace. Under that, we have the V4 Canards with their V-style lip kit in white, with a V2 splitter and rods. So Justin can go pretty fast, like I said. For those that want a splitter, I recommend putting rods on if you're gonna go over 120. Right above that, we have the hood scoop color match bulge S-style. Looks beautiful. On the very top of that, we have a Aeroflow banner and gloss black roof. On the side, we have the S-style Fender 10mm wire to fit his 18 by 9.5 22 offset Vordovens with the 245/40 Falcons. The fitment looks on par. Like, I would say this is as close to ours, if not better, in my opinion. Our car is a bit lower than Justin's. So Justin's car is lowered on silver suspensions, on stock brakes right now, but he is gonna get a BBK upgrade. He does have the EBC brake pads though, so that will definitely help better than stock. If you guys are wanting to upgrade some pads without spending too much money, go to EBC and they're pretty great. On the back, we have the V1 rear diffuser paired with the limited edition F1 single exit gold titanium cap exhaust. In the middle, he also has the F1 third brake light and a carbon fiber trunk trim garnish, which we haven't showed a video yet, but coming soon. And above that, obviously, is this giant Swan neck that we have available, which is back on the website now. We took that off for sale because a lot of these are getting damaged in shipping, but we fixed some of the boxing, made it super strong, so they are available for order again. Justin has one of one WRX VB license plate, so you know he's driving a WRX VB chassis model. On the right hand side, obviously missing a gas cap. This is the new model we've been talking about, the gas cap delete plus 5 horsepower, more aerodynamic, and it looks super gangster. Look like some JDM, you know, thing that people do in Japan. I'm just kidding. We actually took Justin's gas cap to some color matching. We also have the window visor on Justin's car, carbon fiber mirror caps, which I might have missed that. All right guys, so a lot of guys can be asked about Justin's power, okay? So he is on a E50 mix by tmic. Supporting mods, he has the ETS intake, raised charge pipe in gold. Very nice, beautiful. Turbo Smart blow valve, Perrin pitch stop mount, and a Perrin transmission mount. He has the AFD dress up kit as well in front of you guys, so very clean and easy mod. We have a Perrin oil filter cover and a Perrin oil cap. Very nice, so very clean setup, guys. So if you want to have a setup like Justin's, because he does get a lot of questions about his wheel fitment size, so here's the secret recipe for you guys. Been asking him. But yeah, this build is, you know, coming along pretty nicely. Justin's gonna do a couple more mods in the future, I believe. So for future mods, Justin's gonna get our off-road J-pipe. He is gonna get a carbon dry shaft that we just seen in one of our videos already. Some rear control arms to even out the camber in the back, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to check out Justin's build, I will link it here below or above. You can check it out. And that's it for Justin's build, guys. So
all right, this is my build, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, the rollers, all that good stuff. If you want to hit me up for some AFD parts, I'd be happy to help you get a discount. You can find me online at WRX_VB on Instagram. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you next time.